Welcome to Roommate Rivalry, the battle for beauty cream, an interactive video that follows the story of two roommates, Jen and Kate, who find themselves at odds over a jar of beauty cream. As they struggle to navigate their friendship and the conflict that arises between them, they learn the importance of communication, compromise, and making amends. Join us as we explore the relatable and often challenging dynamics of sharing a living space with someone else. Whether you're a current or future roommate, or simply someone who enjoys a good story, this video is sure to engage and entertain you. So grab your popcorn and get ready to dive into the world of roommate rivalry. In this interactive video, two roommates are at war over a coveted beauty cream. Follow their journey as they navigate friendship, conflict, and communication. Will they be able to find a resolution that works for both of them? Join the battle and make your own choices in this engaging and relatable story. Int. Apartment living room, day. Two roommates, Jen and Kate, sitting on the couch together. Jen is holding a jar of beauty cream. Excitedly. Kate, look what I got. This beauty cream is supposed to work miracles. I can't wait to try it out. You know I'm a bit skeptical, but let me try it with my finger. Are you sure it's worth the money? You know I'm on a tight budget. Here, I'm offering one bottle I kept for myself. I'm happy to share it with you, Kate. We're roommates, after all. Reluctantly. Okay, I guess we could split the cost. Jen and Kate both try the beauty cream and love it. However, as time goes on, they begin to fight over who gets to use it more. Jen is on defensive. I paid for the cream, so I should get to use it more often. I'm very angry. But we agreed to split the cost and share it equally. You're being selfish. Jen and Kate both resort to tricks and manipulation to get their way, causing their friendship to suffer. However, they eventually realize that they need to communicate and compromise to find a solution that works for both of them. I do apologize to you, Kate. I'm sorry for being so selfish, Kate. Let's come up with a schedule for when we can use the cream. I've forgiven you. That sounds like a good idea. I'm sorry too for getting angry. Jen and Kate hug and make up, realizing that their friendship is more important than a jar of beauty cream. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging and relatable content.